Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open a Kia Niro key. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This action reveals a small slot. Next, take a small, flat tool, like a jeweler's screwdriver or a coin, and insert it into this slot. This prepares the key fob for the next step, making the process straightforward and simple. Once your tool is in the slot, gently twist it. This action will begin to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. It's important to apply steady, even pressure to avoid any damage to the plastic casing. You'll feel a slight click as the halves begin to separate. Continue twisting carefully until the key fob fully separates into two distinct pieces, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Carefully pry out the old battery. Most Kia Niro key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards, matching the orientation of the old one. Now, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks securely into place. Finally, test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This simple process ensures your key fob is ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.